This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO asking for your help for donations for the Power Bay Thunder car and the Amtrak Lounge car, with some new announcements coming up later down the road. We need your help to raise the $135K. That way we can get the cars here by this fall. And please stop asking about the Las Vegas runs. Las Vegas to Mexico. There's no talk. We're not going anywhere right now. There's still a long ways to go before we can even get 2926 out there. If you haven't watched the video, they've already been approved for 40 miles. I mean, from Los Lunas to Bernalillo, and that's it for right now. So don't keep asking in my comment section, please. Or else you will get banned. Now, please support our Zeffy. Link will be in the description down below. Donate. And quit asking about Las Vegas, please. It's starting to get very tiring. And we got a lot of stuff to do right now anyways. We don't have the time. If you want to ask questions, ask 2926 NMHR. People, not us. Thank you.